Hi, I'm Brian with BES Reviews, and today we are going to be talking about the MojoTech 3-inch rollerblade chair wheel. And we're going to be swapping them out on a Serta Big and Tall executive chair. I got this chair from Office Depot about 2.5, almost 3 years ago, and it retails for about $400. This replacement wheel set sells online at Amazon for $67, but right now it's on sale for $29.80 for Prime members. And whenever I saw the chance to be able to review this product, I couldn't pass it up because one of the things I hate about this chair is the wheels, because they hate carpet. Just even trying to move takes effort, which it's supposed to, but there's a lot of resistance, and I want to fix that. So we're going to be swapping them out. And this set right now also comes with a free 2-port USB charger. It's not exactly the one that they have in the picture online, but it's a free charger. You never know when you're going to need one, so it's a plus. They didn't have to do this, but chair wheels, that sticks. Just looking at it, you can tell there's a big difference. It's a polyurethane wheel, solid steel axle, solid steel bracket, pretty much 99% metal. The only thing that's not is the wheel. What we're swapping them on are these plastic. They just, I hate plastic. So they're a universal set, so it's just plug and play. Just pop them out, boom. They look a lot better. And last one. Now the wheels that we are swapping out, this is a 2-inch wheel, this is a 3-inch wheel. So there is a big difference. So it's kind of an upgrade. But upgrades are good. And like I said, just plug and play. They're a universal fit. And, ooh, a lot smoother. Overall, the wheels are a vast improvement to the plastic wheels that came with this chair. However, they still do experience one of the same issues, and that's jackknifing, just because how thick this carpet is in my apartment. But overall, it's a vast improvement, and I would highly recommend this if you're looking to replace or upgrade the wheels on your current chair. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know that you like this. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe because I have more videos lined up for you to come. So until next time, thank you.